The Tapo C220 camera supports MicroSD card storage of up to 512 GB. You can install the MicroSD card as follows. Moving the lens upwards, you can see there's a MicroSD card slot and a reset button. So we have got a MicroSD card over here, and this is how you load it in. Simply pushed. It is spring loaded and the MicroSD card is loaded. You may need to format the SD card for first use using the Tapo app.
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
To format the SD card, go to your app. Under Device Settings, you can see Storage and Recording. Select that. You can see that the MicroSD card is unformatted. To use the MicroSD card, let's initialize. The card is formatted successfully, and you can use it now for recording. Do note that this is loop recording, and once it has reached the limit, it will record over. Next, we'll show you how to reset the camera. As shown earlier, beside the SD card slot is the reset button. So use a pin and press on the reset button for about 5 seconds until the LED turns red. So let's do that. The LED will blink and the camera will reboot, and you can see that it is now blinking red and green. The camera has been reset and it is in pairing mode. You will need to use your Tapo app to set it up again for use.